Snowman and his dog.
That's the snow up to Maxine and Dick's. We're looking through the kitchen window. He's up on the road between Maxine and Dick and us. He's munching away on something. There's another one on the other side of him. There he is again. He's browsing where the snow isn't. It's a crisp, cool morning. There's the temperature. Cold. It's a big one. 2nd of February. February 6th, the rivers come up. So really going. How come it? There's the river. The rains and the winds have really come up today. This is right in front of our deck. Looking down up where those high rocks through the window.
Go to school, show these children these marvelous animals up close and personal and say, hey,
This is water's creeping up higher and higher. It's a regular roaring ocean. There's where we have our hammock. See it coming clear up to the lawn.
Oh, now what are you doing?
This is Oregon at its wildest. Off the dock duck. Wilson River. Off the dock duck. From out front. river flood. It's about to take the house any minute. There's the back porch. You Medina. I'm standing on the back porch. How about that? There's where the hammock was. One more time. There's the shed.
Come on in! And in between where we hang the,
Nola's talking.
in between,
This is out the window.
where we hang the hammock, there it is, where the big log's braced up against the, you're in it, you're gone.
Washed down lots of wood for Dick. This is up behind the neighbor's house. There's our porch. Please be quiet, Lolo. Okay. One more. O'clock. Looks like the worst is over. There's a good bunch of debris around here. Take a look. Stars on the tree show how high it was. Looks like a part of the work for Lolo. This is off the porch. Wow.
but a few years you might be.
That's true.
Right over there. I mean, it's developing its own little creek system there.
A view of the house and the river.
This is the pond right below Dick and Maxine's house, looking up towards Bill's shed. This is what goes down across the front. That's the river. It's gone down about 6, 7, 8 feet, maybe more. Down to our place. There's our little shed. That's how it goes down across the front of our yard. This is right out of our back bedroom. It's coming out from underneath the deck, going all the way around. We're on an island, just praying it doesn't get up any higher. That's just looking down out of the bedroom, swirling. I can hear it underneath the house. This is all of it coming around our house, both ways. This I don't worry about. It's the one.
We are taking some precautions, making sure that our loose ends, such as our loose appliques, our pallets are all tied down, set up so they
To 5485, money news to 20 and 50.
That's the trees. And here's where these great big logs and jams. It's completely over them now.
This is off the deck. I'm going to get really good. This is way over the 100-yard club level. That's what they just say. That's the front deck. Uh-oh, gotta close the door. Keep the water off. Standing in the shed door. Water about 6 inches deep to even get here. I'm heading for Maxine now. There's Lolo out there somewhere, heading for the house. He's going down with the tide. This is off the top of the steps. The Maxine's house. Where the hell's the house? Just in the siding, but was drowned out in the corner. We've abandoned ship. Hopefully it's going down a little right now. The deck's gone. There she is, the wreck of the Hesper. No water inside yet. The river's going down. On Rachel's deck. Unbelievable. Estes Corner.
Looking up to our house in the river, right up against
this
it.
corner of her house. All the way up there. Can't see Rachel. So he don't. There's Rachel's house. I finally found it. A little more rough water. I left this corner. This is a view from Doug's Duck. Looking towards the deep hole. It's deeper tonight. Looking up the river. A lot of water under the bridge. This is off David's deck. I think I got water on the room.
There's looking down at Bill's, and he's got the four-wheeler. He's going to try to go in his house now. There's all the logs that come up around. Here's the playground. That's his daughter's place. I don't know if it's got water in there or not. Here's the playground and the river. This is Smetana's place. She said it was all underneath. She don't know whether it's through there or not. It's coming through. The river broke there and it's coming down into the playground, plus going down around the bend.
This is off Caesar's deck. David steps right down to the bottom of them. They're looking good.
There goes Maxie and our river. There's in front of our house, what's left of the yard, and it's our front yard, what's left of it. And all the debris coming out from under the house. Our whole yard dropped off there. Tree knocked them. Look, it's underneath the house, right under the family room. All the debris. There's where it got down about 15 feet. There's where the deck was. The whole river has changed now. We lost our front yard. Here's the hole. Going out to the river. That's where we used to go down to the swim hole. Those things are 15 feet high. There's a whole new riverbed. That's how deep it's washed out on this side. Between the roadies in the front. There's steps going up into the back, and they were clear up to the top. One of the logs that's voiced. There's David's landings underneath there somewhere. Amazing. The barbecue table didn't drift away. It's pretty heavy, I guess. The shelter there from the trees. This is just our bathroom corner. Opening the back door. And all the debris that's voiced through and underneath. Deck was. And the log that probably hit it that went. The water was clear up into those crosses. Here's the start of our log jam. It's huge. There's a new riverbed. House looking down where the river went and washed the whole corner out. Started. Going along. Here's the bottom of our house. Here goes what's all washed out in the one corner. The whole... I don't want to live here anymore. Poor little shed, they tied a rope on it to the tree and it kept it from going. Just some of the washing damage. This is Bill and Betty's house and front yard. It was just a river coming all the way through, all the way down. Here's some of the log jam in front of Betty and Bill. I made it direct to go over around and through their underneath their house. And there's debris that log jammed up against their deck and house. Like a graveyard from the forest, and that's what it is. Log jam did the dirty work to build Betty's house. There goes Bill checking things out. Did you get Betty over the hill? Oh, that's Jim. Did you get Betty?
No.
What are you going to do?
They're going in just a few minutes. They can go to Tillamook and go down through LaPinville.
Oh.
That's the only way they can go.
Oh, Bill.
Hey.
Our home.
Are we having fun?
No.
No.
I was over it pretty good yesterday, but I'm not today.
Well, I think it's all salvageable. It's just,
I'm so...
it's just a...
Here's the roadway, just right in front of Bill and Betty that comes around by our house and Deal. And it washed, this was all underwater, all of it. And it's big, deep ruts. Oh, God! I fell. Not looking where I'm going. Unbelievable. This is the roadway. Oh, still running down in front of our place. Dick and Maxine's, what's left of the lake, the river, all down through here from yesterday. Thank God they're here and high and dry, and this is just kind of the washes and the deal. You can see how fast the water was going all the way through here. This isn't even the river. There's old Maxie over there, way over. Taking pictures too. Where the river went down the front of our front lawn. I think we'll try to have our house moved up in there somewhere. There's up the road.
Don't have to pose.
Okay.
See the red light?
No, okay, I'm all poised and I'm having stew.
We're having a river, what did I call it? Stew? Yeah,
Disaster stew.
river disaster stew. And Dick and Maxine's and whatever. It'll fill our bellies. Okay.
You want to say it's stew?
That's enough.
It's a beauty. There you go, Wade. Home sweet sweet home.
Well, it just looked like you there then, and not a big pile. I don't like that angle. All right. He's not down the lowest part. Funny old guy. Who the heck is he? He wants to get up on the pile. Show him how high the water was going, right? Turn around and put your hands up. Turn around and show him how high the water was boiling. Where are you? Can't find you. The water was boiling higher than Max's head, right through there. Yes? Oh, no. Wave to me or something. I can't. I still haven't found you. Oh, there you are. Okay. This is on Wednesday, Valentine's Day. 6 days after the crest. It'll be a week tomorrow. Hard to believe. Where the water level. Well, get me at it so you see the compare.
A disaster area. Looks better in the snow.